Hello everybody, hello, it's me again, your sister, your friend Lady J. And if you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Oh my people, one lady don't cry out again for waiting a man. She really need advice how she go about her life now for waiting a husband dey do am, so in fact man say na your husband now but they not really dey like that again. So you say wetin really happen be say this man, he say 12 dem dey, so she na person wey be say she not be person wey dey spoiled for man matter. So when she dey Nigeria, she come Europe as a virgin, you understand? So she not really not be girl where they play around, you understand? So when she come be the situation of Europe, all those things. So now yeah, she for come this virgin everything. So before she come know this our brother. So when she come know this our brother now, 12 the boy come toast am, say make the day. So she be not just one friend boy, she just did like that. So her friend come tell her say, may you see follow man now. Just did like that. Now she come say, all those men wahala, he no want am. I see your day, saying just like him. So if friend come tell her say, no, if you just did like that, at least supposed to see friend boy. Now she come say, okay, now they come introduce one boy for her. Now she come begin they follow the boy. So as she follow the boy, say never tell the boy, tell her say, you want come to stay with her for house. Now she come tell the boy say, how you come just pack your things, say you want come to stay by house. He no want her like that. He no want. The boy come tell her say, I beg, he want him. Make they stay together. He want work, he want do this. So where in they stay, they comfortable for there. He come talk to the girl, and the girl come say, okay. Now he come. Say the boy come really just dey nice. Before you come for work, cause she na person where they go work. Before she come for work, the boy go just clean everywhere, arrange everything cool. Quick on the surprise. I saw this boy nice. Just say men now must have been pretend a lot to some of you now. She come dey like that with the boy. So he say one day, say with the boy come dey like that. So one day the boy come tell her say, "Me will marry. Since without the relationship, we love each other." Say because she come dey love the boy the more, and the boy tell the day nice to am. So the boy come tell her say, since we don't already dey like this, me will marry. Then I come tell the boy say, okay, no problem. So they can't do marriage. So you can use and take do white wedding. This white wedding. So they can't do one. So in with the boy they can't dey. He says so the boy can't say me that they buy things go Africa. Make after the dog day, man not go forget. So the boy be not get documents. So when they can't do this court marriage, now they can't give the boy documents. So as they give the boy, so they can't go. The boy can't say me they do business go Africa. Make that they so that made that they can't say okay, maybe they do business go Africa so that the girl go they work so him go they carry the things go Africa go they sell. The girl can't say okay, na good idea. So the boy come the load container, they buy things go Africa go they sell. So as the boy they go out, as the girl the boy they go Africa go they sell the things. When they go reach Africa, you could just sell the things finish. You go they drink, they enjoy itself, they groove, they carry women. So your mama said we the quarrel say you just can't change. Which kind of nonsense be all those ones? So even the mother at the time, the mother will even go the beer parlor, go the ward the person where they sell the drink for them, may not they sell for them again. Say if you they do this business like this, you they spend money anyhow. If you see anything for inside, the boy no here, you see they do one. Even the woman wey dey sell for beer parlor, the man no go warn the woman say that one no concern, na a business na him dey do. So the woman, after the boy come back, so now your wife come tell am say, wetin dey worry you? This business wey you just start, money no dey again, nothing. So he no understand the way you say dey behave, the way you come to dey do things. No be so you fair be. So before the girl go your talk, you go beat am, they go shout for am. So this one, they don born one pikin together. Later, na belle enter again for the girl. He say make the girl go remove am. He no fit o. He no fit for now. He no want further any pikin for the second pikin. Now make wait first. Now the girl say, what thing go do? Belle don already enter. So make the girl go abort am. Now the girl come call the mama, say, see wetin your pikin talk o. Say make him go abort this pregnancy. Now the girl say, the mama come tell her, say no abort am o, leave am, no mind am, leave the belle. Which abort you want abort am? Leave am. One pikin, you know say pikin, you know go just dey carry one pikin, they go later you go must one born another pikin join am. So leave am. Now the girl can't leave the pregnancy, come born am. As he born the pikin now the boy, he come tell the boy, say may he give the pikin name. He say no, they give am name. Since na girl pikin, you know they give girl pikin name. And the girl come by herself give the pikin name. So the boy say they misbehave, but they do anyhow. So the girl say, he not gonna bear the thing again. As he can see the way, now he can say, the boy say they misbehave. What is she go do? So the boy now, later, they never see it again now. Later the boy can't go Italy, go they stay. As he go Italy, go they stay, because the girl not they stay Italy there. So as he go Italy, go they stay, you can't go they do all those money now, money, you know, understand? He can't they get money, but you can't they get money, but they can't they cash am. You know we women now, but the girl say they miss the boy because now he really love the guy. So one day, now she comes to carry, tell the boy, say, I want to greet you, me with the children. Because okay, may they come. As they go, now they go see him. Now belle, the girl comes to jogodo, belle comes to enter again. The boy say, you know, want the pregnancy, may go remove him. Then the girl say, you know, if you remove this pregnancy, what did she go do? So now you can't tell her sister, say, see you, you start telling her, say, go remove her, because the boy say, you don't want him, you don't want him. So go remove her, and the girl say, you don't feel remove this pregnancy. So now the girl can't call her own mama, and mama can't tell her, say, no, remove him, leave him. Now she can't really leave the belly. So she can't born the pikin. The boy don't ask of him. He ask him, which name you give? And he says, this now another girl again. You know, they give a name. So then the girl come, the boy don't they call her. So the girl come see the way they behave. Then the girl come just lose interest. So the girl not come, they call him again. So the girl come boof am. So the girl come deal with her children. They take care of her children. They go already. The girl get paper because the boy know how they get paper. Now understand we person go there another country. So me go see do some kind things, they get paper too. So the girl can't get paper. So the boy know how they get the document. So now the boy now can't dey Italy, they make money. So the girl not even, the girl don't boof am. Love not there again. The girl don't finally just forget about her. So you can't dey. So now they can't dey look for this boy now for Italy because of the bad job wey they do for that side. They can't catch some of his friends when they do the business together. So you can't remain in where they never catch. So you can't they run, they go. You know, can't they sleep us again. So that's what they call them and say, you will get children from another place. You know, call your woman, maybe you tell them say you want to stay with them. Call them, maybe you go back. Now you begin can they call this girl. Can they call them, say you want to come back, or then the girl say lie. You don't want again. So you can't they beg them. You can't they tell the friends, may they help and talk to the girl say lie, you don't want again. He say, okay, you want to see your children. Now the girl say you don't go fit see them for now. Now you can't go they call the mama. The mama can't call the boy mama or can't call the girl say I beg. And the girl say you don't want. You don't want me to come here because I know the way they behave. Me not can see beating if you come. I don't want me to give problem to him because as where they give them for where they stay. You don't want maybe say you can't come there. You can't cause another problem for her and the children. So he don't want. The boy can't they beg him. Say he want the boy mama can't they beg him. Say I beg. Make it let her come stay. And the girl say no want any problem. So make the boy as the boy just day in you, make day in you. So now the boy can't use for stay calm. They are sitting there. As he come now, he come they call the hand. So the girl comes say okay. As if he come, now the boy mama can say okay if he come if now all those McDonald's area make you just sit down for there. 12 now go just see for there. And I say okay the girl can't go. As they come now, the girl can't go, and the small picky way the girl not carry food follow am. So because all I always say they not go take. So as they finish for there now, the boy say as the greet each other finish, the boy say you want follow the girl, and the girl say you don't follow me go anywhere. If I tell you, and they tell your mama. Now just me we see for you, maybe they go. The boy say lie oh, you must follow the girl, and the girl say if you want to come out, you go make sure you must follow him, and what he go do. So now the girl did there say you don't go follow me. So they did there for how many hours? Children come they hungry. The small one where they with her they hungry. Then I got to say this one pikin they hungry. Maybe they go. You know you follow me because our agreement now we see from McDonald's. Maybe they go. The boy say lie. He say lie. Now the girl come out. So he can't follow the girl. As he follow the girl, come house. Say now the girl goes okay. Should be you don't finally see the house now. Okay, they go. He say no, they come out. So me the girl give her key. Now the girl say which key you want to give you? Which key? Say the girl must give her key. Oh. Then the girl say lie no, they give you any key. Now the boy begin to follow the girl make a problem. He can't bend the girl hand. He can't press the girl neck. You want to kill the girl can say me not gonna kill her because even though they lost breathing. Now the girl can finally give her the key because the way they press him and the girl can give her the key. As the girl give her the key, now the girl children come they cry say you want to kill our mommy. Only today when you just come, you want to kill our mommy. So now they come the drive and make come out. Now you gonna come out. As he come out now, you know get where they go. You come there outside though, you don't see Trinity go back again. Now you can't call the mama, make the help and beg the girl. Now the girl say like they take and come, you know go come this house. Now they can't explain to the say see what you do, they come they beg and say you don't see anywhere sleep, I beg. Say you don't carry better jacket, make cool no go enter your body. Say I beg. Now the girl come alarm, come back. The girl come call and say, okay, make you come sleep. So if they break, make it come out. Now in they come break, you come out. Now. In the tell the girl now say, what will be the problem now? We say, if the girl not upset him back, he will go tell, he go come the country where the girl dey, go tell them say, see how the girl take get paper. You see her now? He say if the girl not upset her, you can't tell them how the girl take get paper. Say he know what he do with take get paper. Now that one be the thing now. He say or if the girl go upset him back, and the girl say no fair upset her back because he no love am again. Love not there again because the boy no be better person. You know one person we go come they give her a problem. So now let's say how she want go about her life now. Whether make she go back to the boy or making allow the boy come do what he want do. I don't want to be the main. I don't want to be the thing where the girl wants now. So the girl need to know advice. So any advice when I get for the girl, wanna leave on a comment. I beg because this girl she really need advice because she don't know how she want go about her life now. That is the problem now. The boy now they threaten him say it's either you accept me back or you come open your yansh for everybody how you take get your paper. So now that one na him be the thing now. She now dey secure her paper she dey fear make this boy no can go implicate am. So he say he no know wetin he want to, so she need advice how she will go about her life. So for me, I feel say na normal threatening na e dey. But my people, any advice when I get one, I be more write am for the comment section. Make she see, she go see all the comments and voice. If na voice record you want, she send that to me. I go send them to her to her beg. Anything we wanna talk, now she go do something now. So Mona advise her, I beg. Mona take am as una sister, as una friend. So thank you everybody and take care. And until I come your way next time again, remember Lady J and our hookup is still there. If you need the responsible woman and the responsible man, call me. I'm still here for you people. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.